गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भवताप प्रणाशिन्ने आनंद घनमूर्तये ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिन्ने मातस्तुभ्यं नमो नमः। जय मां। So in the last video I was talking about my father. I will continue. See, my father was a great devotee of Ma, and he would go in the middle of the night also wherever Ma was to ask her things about mysticism and this and that and a lot of questions, but he never wrote a diary. So आधी रात को भी अगर जाए ना तो people in the ashram would say, the sadhikas or whatever, that do you have any sense you're coming in the middle of the night and you can't go to Ma's room like this, blah blah blah. It went on. But Ma always said, whenever you come, you just enter my room, because बच्चे के भाव से आते हो कभी भी आ सकते हो. So that was Ma. So he asked a lot of questions for 3 years continuously to Ma, but he did not write a diary on that. So later I remember Swami Bhaskaranji once asking him, American Pandit, he used to call him that because he was in America for so long. Yes, he used to do Karm Kand also, because in America there are very few Brahmin Pandits, around. And he knew Karm Kand also, so he would get people married also. He would, like Grah Shanti Karni hai ya kuch bhi, to they used to call my father. So Bhaskaranji used to call him American Pandit. So he said, where is the diary? 3 years you've asked questions of Ma and we want that diary. So my father said, the diary is here. I haven't written anything, So it was like that. There's one very beautiful experience he had with Ma, which is in the book, but I'm narrating it. One day he went to Ma's room to have a private or something with her, and there was nobody in the room except Ma and him. So Ma was on the cot, cot pe baithi thi Ma, and he sat on the floor. And before anything could start, Ma was sitting and slowly her gaze went up like that, slowly, right up. And as her gaze went up, my father's gaze also went up with her. Obviously with her grace and blessings this was happening. And what does he see? You name it, and all the Devi Devtas, whoever you can think of, were all standing there, and Ma is looking at them, and they are showering flowers on Ma, from that zone to this zone. And he's just watching, just amazed, watching. There was some god, some Devta, who had a garland in his hand, and he wanted to give it to Ma. So before he could give it to Ma, now that is that plane and this is the Bhulok, right? This plane, physical plane. So before he could give it, Ma raised her hand, went up to that zone, took the garland like this in her hand and brought it down and threw it on my father's neck. Can you imagine? My God. So it just fell on my, and obviously, Ma knew that he could see everything, So my father was amazed, aghast, he did pranam and all that, and then he left the room. The next day what happened is, you see, we are always told that once, ये लोगों को शायद पता नहीं होगा, इसलिए मैं बता रही हूँ, कि माँ ने हमेशा कहा है that if you supposing go to the samadhi or something and you're given a garland, माँ का हार आपको दिया जाता है प्रसाद, तो जो पहनाते हैं, when you have the garland on your neck, don't remove it immediately. You should keep it on because it is full of blessings, right? So माँ has always said, तुरंत निकाल नहीं दो, रखो उसको, थोड़े घंटे फिर पहन के रखो, and then you can remove it, और उसको कोई holy river में like Ganga ji or Narmada ji, you can do Visarjan over there, immerse it over there. So my father wore the garland the whole day and all that. Now next day he was again going to Ma. So on the way there was this river, I don't know which one it was, either Ganga ji or whatever. And उन्होंने वो विसर्जन कर दिया, the हार. I would not have done that. And when he goes to माँ ने कहा, where is that garland? हार कहाँ है? He says, मैंने पूरा दिन पहना और उसको विसर्जन कर दिया. So माँ said, ना, वो यहाँ का थोड़ी था, वो तो रखना था. And that wasn't of this world at all. It was from somewhere else, and you should have kept the garland. So my mother said, I didn't realize, my God, what did I do, you know? But these mistakes do happen because we are so normal and we are normal mortal human beings, you know? So all these things do happen, but it's okay with Mom. So this was one fantastic experience he had. And that's why we keep saying that when we talk about माँ, we don't have blind faith, you know, कि किसी ने बोला और हमने बोल दिया, ऐसा नहीं है. हमने सब देखा हुआ है, you see. जो experience में आया है, like I said earlier also, experiential knowledge is very important. जैसे कोई बोले कि हम किसी ने प्रश्न किया है कि हम आत्मा जो है, soul journey क्या है to reach the divine, you know, there is no method. Firstly, like I said, sincerity. Secondly, your heart has to be clean. Kapat, malice, jealousy towards people, envious towards people, you know, cutting somebody's throat, stabbing somebody in the back, all these qualities have to go from you. जैसे पात्र क्लीन होना चाहिए, तभी तो अंदर घड़ा भरेगा ना. पात्र क्लीन नहीं होगा तो कहाँ से भरेगा? Because we are not different from the divine. हमारा जो सोल है वो डिवाइन ही है, पर हमें पता नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोग आवरण से भरे हुए हैं. You know, so many layers of avarans we have, of veils of ignorance. So only thing we need to do is to remove the ignorance and we are there, you know. So जैसे माँ हमेशा कहती थी कि माँ को जानो, माँ को पहचानो, माँ को जानना, माँ को पाना, यानी माँ हो जाना. So beautiful. माँ को जानना, माँ को पहचानना, यानी माँ हो जाना. सो फाइनल एनालिसिस में क्या है? हम तो वही है ना, पर हमें अभी अधिकार नहीं है वो बोलने का, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट देयर. बट वी हैव टू स्ट्राइव फॉर दैट, एंड दैट इज थ्रू साधना, दैट इज थ्रू कॉन्टेम्पलेशन, हियरिंग. श्रवण करो, मनन करो, फिर निधि ध्यासन हो जाएगा. पर वो सिंसियरिटी होनी चाहिए. यानी कि मैंने 2 घंटे श्रवण किया, उसके बाद मैं भूल गई, फिर वर्ल्डली एक्टिविटीज में मैं लग गई. वो भी ठीक है. यू नो, यू आर डूइंग लिटिल. मुक्ति भुक्ति आपको दोनों चाहिए, ठीक है. तो मुक्ति भुक्ति जहां चाहिए तो मुक्ति भुक्ति होती रहेगी थोड़े समय तक. अगले जन्म में होगा, अगले, पर शुरुआत तो करो. Don't do a drawing room conversation, because I have seen most of the times people want to ask questions and they want quick answers. कि मैंने सवाल पूछा, मुझे जवाब चाहिए. सवाल अपने आप को पूछो, जवाब अंदर ही है, कहीं पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है. पर वो जवाब पाने के लिए यू हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ साधना. क्विक आंसर्स से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. इट बिकम्स अ ड्राइंग रूम कॉन्वर्सेशन. मैंने सवाल पूछा, फिर मैं निकल, चलो चलो मुझे जाना है, शॉपिंग में जाना है, ये करने जाना है, क्लब में जाना है, किटी में जाना है. उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. मुक्ति भुक्ति दोनों साथ में नहीं चलती है. अगर आप मुक्ति के लिए हैं तो भुक्ति नहीं होती है, वो छूट जाएगी अपने आप. आपको छोड़नी नहीं पड़ेगी, अपने आप खत्म हो जाएगा. इसलिए उसकी इतनी चिंता मत करो. चिंता ये करो कि मुझे कैसे रास्ते पे लगना है, और मुझे सिंसियरिटी है, मुझे इंटेंसिटी है, तो लग जाएंगे आप. So these were the things that were happening with my father, and my mother was like a major backbone for me, you know, because in my house I have seen none of them objected to anything. वरना क्या होता है कि किसी घर में अगर कोई सफेद वस्त्र धारण कर ले, या somebody puts on white clothes or something and becomes a brahmachari, parents get very upset. Hi, now she's given up the world. हमारा क्या होगा? ये वो, it goes on, you know. No, in my house it was never like that. In fact, they were so happy. They were so happy when I came into white. Unfortunately, my father wasn't there when I got sannyas. My mother was there. And when I came home, you know what my mother said? Swamiji Pranam. Because she was very sick that time. She could not go anywhere, you know. And she could not walk and all that. So this was her room where I'm sitting right now. So she was on the chair and she had ordered a garland for me. Can you imagine? This is my mother. And when I came home, she put the garland on me and she said, Pranam Swamiji. I thought burst out crying. I said, oh my God, what are you doing? You know, I'm your daughter. So she said, no, because I had got sannyas. Those were my parents, you know, total support. And they knew what this journey is. They knew what this is. In fact, you know, when I talk about sannyas, probably I talk about this, you know, because you have to take your mother's permission is very important when you go on the journey of sannyas. Before taking sannyas, if the mother figure, whether it is your wife, woman figure, if your mother is around and you're not a married person, obviously, mother has to give you permission. If you're a married person, then when you're leaving your house and all that, then you have to take the permission of your wife, you know. So a woman figure has to give you permission before taking sannyas. And if they object, you won't get sannyas. So the woman is that important. So which I will further talk, you know, as my thoughts go on coming, I will go on telling you, and I hope you people want to hear this. Please write to me in the comment box whether you want more of this or not. Thank you. Jai Ma. Om Bhavatapa Pranashinne Ananda Ghanamurtaye Jnana Bhakti Pradayinne Matastubhyam Namo Namaha. Jai Ma, Jai Ma, Jai Ma.